You will smile, you will dream, you will learn, follow me to a world full of light, full of colors so bright. Oh, Beadies fall and Beadies fly, the Beadies bring the world to life. You can run, you can play, you will learn from the page. There are songs we can sing that will solve anything. Oh, Beadies fall and Beadies fly, the Beadies bring the world to life. It's Beadies time! Stream. Springtime has arrived here in Meowser's world. Flowers start to grow as the Beadies twirl. Meowser feels so good that he starts to sing. Everything is green and warm in the spring. Oh, the spring, yes, the spring. And the sunshine it will bring. It will melt all the ice. Even birdies think it's nice. Beady runs along with no time to spare. She has got some news that she needs to share. The stream is awake, now the ice is gone, but it's forgot how to sing its song. Oh, the stream, yes, the stream. To sing once more is its dream. Meowser, help out your friend, so the stream will sing again. Hello, Meowser. We need to help out the stream, so let's come up with a new song.
Oh, I can sing, yes, meow, meow, meow. So can the stream, I will show it how. The whole world sings when it is spring. I love the warmth and joy it brings. Meow, 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 kittens like the spring. Meow, 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 kittens like the spring. Meow, 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 I will make a song. I will help the stream to sing along.
Meowser, how are you going to help the stream?
Well, today we'll use a stone. It will help us with our tone. Large or small, yes, both will do. Pick it up to take with you. Use your hands to take the sticks. They will play notes that you hit. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. That's the run, my little stream.
What a beautiful sound the xylophone makes. I think the stream likes it too.
Even though you have forgot, we'll give everything we've got. In the flowers, grass, and leaves, do a run right here with me. Use your hands to take the sticks. They will play notes that you hit. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. That's the run, my little stream.
It seems the xylophone didn't help at all. Do you hear that? The stream is pooling somewhere.
I'm a happy little stream. Won't you sing along with me? Singing runs is such a ball. I'll bring water to us all. Use your hands to take the sticks. They will play notes that you hit. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. That's the run, my little stream.
Kitten has been playing, now the kitten's staying in the kitten bed, lying down for a rest. Close up your eyes now, let out a sigh now. Now kitten curls up in his kitten nest. Meow, 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 stars in the sky, and meow, 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 shining yellow moon. Meow, 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 closing up your eyes, and meow, 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 time to sleep for you. Meowser here here is reading, 'cause it helps with dreaming. Think of all the things you will dream here tonight. Now we've finished our book, come and take a look. The land of sleep calls us with its starlight. Meow, 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 stars shine as we leap. Meow, 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 'neath the yellow moon. Meow, 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 time for Meowser to sleep. Meow, 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 sleep will find you soon. Kittens will be walking, thinking without talking, forming something sweet from a soft glowing light. Kittens will be playing, soon they will be saying that they need to sleep through the long quiet night. Meow, 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 stars in the sky, and meow, 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 bright and yellow moon. Meow, 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 sleep little kitten. Meow, 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 time to sleep for you.
Are you curious what the next Beadies episode is about? I am so excited.